many people now, they've become more health conscious and they're choosing for the gym to be an option for exercising because the roads are always full and so they cannot be going for walking on a regular basis.
This is for health point of view and fitness also. Fitness is a must for everyone from age 1 to 80 years, 90 years.
Well, all the supplements and everything, it comes to about 20-25,000 easily. I think on an average you can spend about 5,000 rupees and that should be fine.
There's a lot of gyms which have come up. There's a growing demand for people who want to go to the gym. The major growth in India has come in tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Bombay, Delhi, Bangalore always had big clubs in our clubhouses, being it Gold Gym or other chains which are operating. But I think the growth in the last 5 years has come in cities like Sangli, you're talking about Jalandhar, Ludhiana, Coimbatore, where new gyms have come up, where there is a demand for health and fitness. People are becoming aware.
It has become very, very important that people should come out and exercise. They should, give some time to exercising separately. So people are getting aware about that, and that is why you will see gyms coming out every here and there, and a lot of companies investing into fitness industry.
Well, the industry would have a lot of opportunity because in India right now the opportunity for fitness is only utilized maybe to 1 or 2%. The market is very huge. There are a lot of opportunities. Fitness industry has the usage of fitness connect to the equipment sales, apparels, and it goes towards personal training, group classes and all those outdoor activities which is get connected to because it has no limits.